Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. In case you haven't been by my channel, my name is Leo, and on this channel I teach a lot of website traffic sources, organic and paid, in case you're looking for paid advertising, to your product or service or brand. I also give a lot of reviews on tools, education sources, stuff like that. So I always give an honest opinion to everybody. And I have a video for you right here. This video for you who are bloggers. If you have a blog, you're looking for to get blog indexed. Well, I have a video right here for you. So stay till the end of this video, and also leave me some comments. Leave me some comments below. And if you do want to, if you're more of a TikToker or Instagram, Facebook, I'm going to have my links in the description of this video, so they will be there. So go ahead and check them out. Follow me on those platforms, and I'm always giving value. I give a lot of value stuff out there, and every now and then I got something for sale, so it's part of business. And let's get started. Eat or be eaten, everybody. It's part of the process in the entrepreneurial world. I would say in every world. There's so much competition out there. I mean, it doesn't matter if you're looking for a job, you're looking for a career. It doesn't matter what you're looking for. There's always competition, right? So let's get started. This video is based on Blogarama. Blogarama.com. So I went to ChatGPT here, and I wanted to kind of give you a little bit of insights on what Blogarama is. And I asked ChatGPT because it's pretty simple, basic tool. So blog exposure. Sorry, I might need something to drink. But by submitting their blogs to Blogarama, bloggers can increase their online visibility. The platform categorizes blogs based on the topics and interests, making it easier for users to discover and explore content in a specific niche. What niche you got? So blogging, everybody. Blogging is not dead. A lot of people say it's dead. There's just a way to use it. So traffic generation. Being listed on Blogarama can potentially drive traffic to the blogger's website. Users who visit Blogarama and browse through the categories may discover and click on blogs that align with their interests, leading to increased traffic for the blogger. And then community engagement. Backlinks are very important. As some of you all know, backlinks are a thumbs up. So in some cases, blog directories like Blogarama provide backlinks to the blogger's website. Backlinks can positively impact a blog search engine optimization, SEO, by indicating the search engine that the content is reputable and relevant. So then you get the credibility and authority. So I thought I'd go here for you so you don't have to do all that. You can read the rest if you like. Now, let me show you another thing about Blogarama is the traffic. So the traffic is, as you can see right here, the authority is 38. It's pretty good. Organic, 9.7. Now, I don't see the details here. Let's see. What else are we looking for here? We're looking for backlinks. They got a lot of backlinks. But as you can see right here, it was going good in 2022, and it's kind of taking a little tumble. It's kind of going down, but it's not all the way down. However, there are a lot of people still using it. There's backlinks. So look at it like this. When the people are not using it and you're the one kind of doing the work. So, and by the way, all this stuff takes work, everybody. It all takes work. And let's see, organic keywords, top organic keywords, and then branded traffic trend, and then main organic competitors. So here are some links right here, everybody, for you to go check out. I haven't been to them yet. However, they are some competitors of this. So there's more traffic to get right there. So let me go to the website real quick and show you. Let me open this up so you get the full view. And you know what? Hold on a second here, because before we continue, if you're liking what you see so far, please give me a thumbs up, everybody. It really helps the algorithms show my videos to other people who are looking for blogging tips. Also, I got some more videos coming up. As you can see, I got a lot of other videos on this on this channel, excuse me. And if you'd like to be part of that, hit subscribe and tap that notification bell to get notified of my future videos that are coming up. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Let's get back to the video. So add a blog. This is all you do, everybody. So what made me want to show you this is I've been using this I had no idea I had it connected to one of my blogs. And when you add a blog in here, you go in here, you create an account. It's really, really simple to do. It's pretty much straightforward, just like anything else. You go in there, you create your blog, and then you add a blog. So I just recently added this one, and I was actually surprised that it already got 7 index posts. It started off with 0. So this is my fashion one right here. It got 14. So I got notified. I got notified that I was getting indexed, and I totally forgot that I went to this website. Now, Blogarama, #1 blog directory. So it's a directory, and all you do, let's say you're going to add your blog, create your account, go to add a blog. You put your blog address there, you put your title, your blog, your description. If you're not good at writing a description, just go to ChatGPT, let it know what you want to do. Your country, and this is the important one, the category. So if you're a blogger, you want blogging, there you go. If you want to niche it down, crypto, business, fashion, education, gambling, home and garden, politics, software, spirituality, travel, all these are here at your disposal, everybody. All this is here for all of you out there to take action on this. Take action. It's free. You know, there's a free version and paid version. So let me show you the free version. I mean, this is the free version. Let me show you the paid version. And by the way, I'm not I don't have a link to this. I'm not an affiliate to it. I just want to show you all out there that there's free ways to get indexed. I'm going to show you another one after this, so stick around. So if you want to upgrade, right now I'm on the free, but I'm about to jump to the premium because you get unlimited blog posts, do follow backlinks, post your blogs on the main page, same day approval email. So that's pretty cool. Then as for a business one, which is only $10 a month, you actually get, so you kind of get what you pay for. You get what you pay for when it comes to these blogs. And let me show you the next ones so we can let's see what else. Oh, I want to let you know too, as you know, you've probably been on, if you are looking for more traffic sources, just come right here to my YouTube channel, browse through down here. I mean, I got traffic for so many things. If you're doing video marketing, if you don't want to be on YouTube, but you want to be on some other one, there's so many, there's YouNow. I got YouNow. I got a lot here. You can go check them out. You go check them out. A lot of this traffic, a lot of it's free, a lot of it's organic. I got more web traffic. You might want to go check that one out. It's still relevant till today. And I always make sure my stuff stays relevant till today because I would like to let all you know out there that there's more places to get web traffic. So that was my hardest struggle, and it's really not no more because I learned a lot and I could share it with all of you out there, and I'm very glad that I could do that. So let's move forward to the next one. It's called Pingler. Pingler.com. Now, let me go over here to over here and put Pingler. And as you can see, Pingler authority score 28, organic search traffic 7.1 thousand, backlinks 40.9k thousand. For those of you that don't know, distribution by country is worldwide, India, United States, other, compare. Let's see, let's go here to compare. I don't want to win no plan right now, but as you can see right here, it's pretty on the very top line. It's going pretty well on organic traffic. So why not, right? Why not get some of that low-hanging fruit? And as you can see right here, main competitors, you could go try those out. I haven't tried them yet, but hey, there you go. Road to blogging. I'm going to have to go try these out, and I'll probably make some more videos on them. If you want me to make more videos on these, go ahead and comment below this video. Let me know, and I will make some more. And this is how you use it, everybody. You go here. Now, I'm going to hit over here. I'm going to hit a... I already got my link in there. Prior to making this video, I put my link in there. So, we're going to go to fashion tips for women. Or just fashion... If I could spell right? So it gives you in the free version. This is the free version. It gives you 3 categories where you would like to get pinged in. So for this one, I want to do. You want to really kind of think, where would your product be good at? So in mine, fashion will probably be could be gifts and flowers. It could also be, and it's not outdoors, not politics. It's let's see, there's one at the very bottom down here. Weddings, world festivals maybe. Let's see, let's go back up. Education. Let's see if there's a fashion one. And there is not. So health and beauty, I could probably go there. Health and beauty has something to do with fashion, right? So you kind of just narrow it down to your niche and move on. So let's see. I don't know what else to pick. I'm going to pick wellness just for this video. And then I'm going to want to hit ping. It's going to ask me to, for the bicycle thing. So the bicycle shows there. All these pictures show the bicycle. And then we're going to hit next. Motorcycles. And then it's going to start pinging everybody. It's going to start pinging. And I'm going to show you the results here in a second. Let's see. Sometimes it never takes 2 minutes unless your internet's being really slow. Just got to give it a little bit of time. Be patient. This is on the free stuff. As you can see down here to the right, there's the paid one. It only starts at $2.99. Try at your own risk, but do the free stuff first to see what you like. As you can see right here, my results are okay. They're all okay. Let's see how many. So do you think there's traffic here, everybody, for your blogging? Yes, there is. Look at all that blog indexed content where you're going. I might have said that the wrong way backwards or missed my words, but look, I scrolled a lot. And they also have an affiliate program, everybody, in case you want to market this to maybe you might have an email list or something. Send it to them. So let's go over here and let's see the purchase on what you get for your packages, because for $2.99 you can't go wrong. $3. Unless you want to, let's see, maximum URL, smaller packages. So let's see your smaller packages, because they got large packages. I mean, it goes pretty high here. I mean, imagine that one. Now you get your products are going out there. Your service, you are going out there as. So right here for $4.49. If you order it, you get maximum URLs 25, ping frequencies 3 days, social media feed. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there's the affiliate program. Everybody, I'm not an affiliate for this, at least not yet, but. Yeah, I mean, do you see potential here? Do you see potential to get you a lot of traffic? I'm really glad I can make this video for all of you out there, everybody. I'm really glad. And like I said, go over here to my YouTube channel and pick up a lot more traffic. And depending on the weather where you're at, you probably want to pick like 3 traffic sources if they're free. Just because you don't want to overwhelm yourself. If you're in bad weather right now, why not, just sit there and put your websites out there. Now, I wouldn't really suggest putting your affiliate links in any of these. You might want to use just the website that you have and go from there. So I'm glad you stayed with me this long. Sorry I took up too much of your time, but if you got any value out of this, give me a thumbs up and stick around, because I like to show you some of my next videos coming up. Check out some other videos. I got a couple videos going to pop up right here, and you can check them out. They got some more website traffic for all of you out there. All right. Website traffic, take action. Thank you, everybody. God bless. And I will see you later. Bye.